to start recording for YouTube, and I've been needing supplies to record. Lighting is okay, but like little things like that, you know what I'm saying? Just to record. But anyways, I got a package today and I'm gonna open it for you guys. Ta-da! Let's see what it is. Ring light slash tripod thing that I needed help with. I mainly got this because I needed it for like a stand to hold my phone so I can record for you guys, because I've been just putting it on my vanity and like random places. So this is gonna help me record easier, you know, with the stand and having just a little bit more light. That's gonna be awesome. So yeah, I'm gonna open it. Looking forward to this, and I just kind of put it like that. Here, let's do it really quick. All right, my loves, so it did not come with a box, so make sure you have a box for it. Let's go ahead and plug it in. Remote control. So right here. Ta-da! It's alive! Yay! Alright, and it's as easy as making it brighter. Wow, that's super bright. And then going low. Nice. Let's turn it back up. That's amazing. The brightness. I love that. Oh my gosh, I'm impressed right now. Bam, just like that. I love it. So worth it. And this to turn it off.